Yes, I'm already at my boarding house. Ah, really? I already wrote my feelings down on paper. Wait a minute, the checkers. Where is it? Oh yeah, Han seems to have really left it behind on campus. If so, can I ask for your help to deliver it to my boarding house? Sorry for bothering you. Okay, Han. I'll wait for you at my boarding house.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Just come in.
Yeah,
Thank you. I was in a hurry.
this one.
Yes, Mr. Andrew Job.
Oh, I don't know yet. Really difficult.
Yes, you know, I am also really dizzy. This is just another random article. Can you visit spirit at night? Do you believe it or not?
But it's true. Family with us all neck anyway.
Hey, what time? It's 2025. It's a mic?
Mr. Des, it's not really clear what you're browsing. Like that, I'm going home now. It's already late.
Thank you for catching up on my assignment that I mentioned.
Yes, you're welcome.
Oh, it's already 12 o'clock. Feeling asleep again. Cleaning it up first. I think I am hallucination. There seems to be a drop of blood. But why is there any? Your voice first.
Columbus is the number one.